are not able to manage the time, if you use the time, it is too much. It is always 1.5 hours is pretty good time. So that the things are, what you realize is, now you know how much work I can give to an athlete of such type, how much work I can give, how much recovery is needed, how much load I can put on, itna, how much I can press on the intensity. Sometimes this work you can do with the higher intensity, low volume. What? When intensity is high, volume is always low. And when volume is large, intensity is low. Understood?
Yes.
So, what is the motive if I'll say longer, uh, the duration is longer, recovery low? What is the meaning? Volume high, intensity, volume high, intensity low, and duration is longer. Then what it means? Endurance. The specific. If we are doing specific work, put up, then specific endurance. And where it is required? Specific endurance in the bouts. Specific endurance is required in the bouts. When you have consecutive bout in a pool or round the day. If someone is going to final, the whole day he is playing from morning till evening. Okay, so you have to keep in mind the things and what you are developing here. क्या डेवलप कर रहे हैं उसमें? इसके अलावा you can क्या मसल जो है स्पेसिफिक मसल का यूज और strength, specific strength. And when you are developing specific strength, it is directly correlated with the speed. If your muscle have strength, you can go to. Take an example of the sprinter, 100-meter sprinters, their legs. So now our in fencing also lower limb is working a lot. We have to move. Without moving, we cannot do attack, maybe counter attack in the standing position, maybe para repose or counter attack. Not attack. For attack, you have to move. And to save yourself, there are 3 types of defense in fencing. I told you. Which 3 types? Number 1 is
repose.
Number 1 always coming at number 1 is distance, cutting the distance. Number 2 is defense by blade. Parries are lots of. There are a number of you can say classifications of the parries. Maybe simple parries in your course. It is simple for them. Simple, circular, semicircular. Okay, and diagonal. There are lots of parries. So for you it is only simple parries and simple attack. So there are lots of classifications. So defense by blade. One is defense by distance, another is defense by blade. And third one is defense by body evasion. Someone touching me, I twist, touching, I am ducking. Okay, like that. That is body evasion. So 3 types of defense is existing in fencing. So always the defense by blade is also clubbed with the distance. Making parry with step back. It is always good. It is not like that I cannot do here. I can do. Depends on the opponent and his distance. But it is always better for double safety. His attack, maybe I am not able to catch the blade in the time, but distance may make his attack no or not correct. No pass. Okay, so it is double skill. Always go with the step back, the defense. ठीक है, अब हॉल में जाएंगे. और वहाँ काम करना, रिलैक्स। इसके पहले